Do you have a loose flush handle on your toilet? This is a very simple fix. It's a very simple do-it-yourself project. Let me show you what you need to do. Start by taking the lid off the tank. Next, go inside the tank where your flush handle goes through, and there's a plastic nut you need to tighten. Now these are threaded the opposite way of normal nuts, so you need to turn it counterclockwise. So just turn it with your hand till it's nice and snug. And now you have a tight flush handle again. That's all there is to it. Now if you get in here and find something broken, maybe the arm is broken, maybe the problem with the chain, maybe this is worn out here. It's very simple to put in a new flush handle. Let me show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is disconnect the chain from the handle. Then you just loosen this nut. This nut will slide off and down the arm. You can then pull this out, get you a new flush arm, slide it in. Slide the nut on. Tighten that nut, make it hand tight. Then you need to reattach the chain that goes to your flapper valve. That's all there is to it. Now you've got a new working flush handle. Put your lid back on. Turn the water on if you turned it off. And this project is complete. That's all there is to fixing a loose flush handle or a broken flush handle. I hope you've learned something in this video. I really appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.